See those dark circles? Let's see if I can get rid of it. It was just sent this pack of 24 karat gold. They have the collagen, snail mucin, and hyaluronic acid. I like that hot pink and the lavender. They really got me on the marketing right there. Okay, so each comes individually wrapped. Let's open it up and put it on. So you're gonna start with a cleansed base and then take it out. And right when you put it on, you're gonna feel this really nice cooling sensation. I love that feeling. You can even pop them in the refrigerator for a little extra cooling sensation. And that's it. They're so easy to apply, and then they just stay on your face. You can go lay down for 20 to 30 minutes, or like me, you can multitask. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair done, and I'll be back. Okay, I am back. They stayed on my face really nicely. I did notice almost like a little bit of cracking in one of them, which was interesting. Okay, let's take them off. And then they're single use, so when you're done, just throw them away. And then I usually just dab whatever's left into my eyes, but this says to use warm water. So I did bring some warm water here, and I'm just gonna wash that away. And there we have it. Okay. A little less darkness maybe. My eyes feel way more alert, and that at least feels great to me. So I just love how they instantly help you feel more alert, more awake, and they do work on those fine lines and wrinkles as well.